Dear learners, National Education Policy 2020 emphasized on sports can be integrated as pedagogy for teaching with other school subjects and vice versa. In fact, several areas which belong to other school subjects like science, mathematics, social science, language, psychology, ICT, etc. are also the part of physical education. For example, while athletics events can be used for teaching science, mathematics, language and social sciences, let us understand what are possible areas which cut cross different disciplines and physical educations. In mathematics, by using the recorded time taken by each runner in covering 100 meters or 200 meters or 400 meters, students may be asked to represent these as frequency, distribution table and bar graphs. In language, students may be asked to write a brief biography of various sports players including Paralympic players of our country as well as of international players. They may also write a piece of rules or relay races. In social sciences, the planning and using strategy in a relay race may be used for explaining the role of a district magistrate or Sarpanch Gram Panchayat, especially how to evolve a suitable strategy for successful implementation of policies and programs. Through science, the contents from the science taken into consideration the areas of heredity and environment, growth and development, organs and system, understanding of joints, classification and possible movements around these joints. In addition, muscles and their properties, effect of exercise on various systems of the body like circulatory, respiratory, muscular, digestive and skeletal systems are also linked to physical activities. Similarly, content related to anatomy, growth and development during adolescence also form part of the content of physical education, such as effect of exercise on muscular system, circulatory system, respiratory system and digestive system. Health dimensions environment. Role of physical exercises, games and sports and yoga can be discussed. The games and sports activities that you play in your daily life have a strong linkage to our culture. Some of the sports that reflect the culture of a region of our country are Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, archery, lazim, wrestling and so on. Also in science, the topic of motion may be taught, particularly the concept of distance, displacement, speed and velocity. The time taken by each runner may be recorded and using the data students may calculate distance and displacement and also speed and velocity. In psychology, with special reference to individual differences and personality, learning and motivation are being an integrated part of sports. Personality meaning nature and factors affecting performance and transfer of training constitute one of major component and can be learned while playing game and sports. Psychosocial aspect of physical education extend to the study of areas regarding individual differences, personality development, learning of various skills, motivation and its techniques, anxiety management, ethical and social values, group dynamics, cooperation and learning. It also focuses on emotional development, relationships with peers, parents and others, self-concept and self-esteem. Health education and well-being contents in physical education includes some vital aspects such as importance of health, hygiene, aspect of school health services, food, nutrition and balanced diet, physical education and yoga, physical fitness and personality development, growth and development of adolescents, preventive measures from communicable and non-communicable diseases such as coronavirus, HIV, AIDS, etc. Managing and dealing with adolescents during difficult situations and promotion of safety and security. Stay safe and stay healthy.